Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. So many topics, so little time. Well, there's plenty of topics and plenty of time, right? Here we film one video a day. I do it in real time. I very rarely batch any videos, any podcasts in a row. I typically just film them day by day. What I do is I compile topics that I want to discuss. So I belong to some newsletters, and I'll save the newsletters to see if there's any ideas that I get. I'll save emails that I may be a participant in, or where someone has emailed a question to a larger group that I belong to. Some are the answers that I have written, some are the answers that others have written, and just have a different take. Often enough, I've described this area of practice, and actually even in the larger area of the law, sort of in the same way you might describe cooking a meal or following a recipe. And, the food of my heritage is Italian food, and I am somewhat of an amateur cook. Yes, this is true. I do like to cook. But if you're making I don't know if I want to start a debate in the comments, a gravy or a sauce. In my household, growing up, we always called it sauce. But I think my dad's family, they called it gravy. And then my mother had a sister, right, my aunt, and that side of the family, I think they also called it gravy. So in any event, some people start their sauce with garlic. So garlic and oil, fry up the garlic, and then you add your tomatoes, and that flavors the sauce. Now, other people start their sauce with onions. I usually do both. I'll tell you that. Does have anything to do with elder law? Yes, it does. let me bring it home. The reason it has to do with elder law is because the approach, just the same way that no two cooks will put in exactly the same ingredients. They're going to make something uniquely their own, to their taste, to their preference, to what they like to serve. It's the same way with an elder law attorney. When I'm drafting a will or a trust or any document, I'm going to be guided by my past experience, what's worked before, what is specific to this given family and the situation that exists. So there's a famous attorney in my field that says it's the art and science of elder law. And I like that very much. You have to know what to do pursuant to the law, or you can't just make things up. But then you have to use your own creative ingenuity to find the perfect words to say, phrases to use, clauses to include. And there you have it. I'm Frank Bruno. This is Frank Bruno Law. Please check out my website, frankbrunolaw.com.